Alright guys, hey, it's Brian here with Hostirian. What I'm going to show you here today is how to make a custom audience off of a Facebook video. Okay, so first thing you want to do is jump into your business manager. Then you want to go to your audiences right here. Okay, we're going to create something. After it loads up, we're going to go on the left side. Here's a blue button. It says audience, or create an audience. Hit the drop down. You want to go to a custom audience. Okay, because we're going to create something. Now, after you do this, you want to use the video section, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a video, and we'll make a audience off the people that watch that video. Okay, click that there. Now, I can't stress enough that once you get to this point, for one, you have to have the video on your page. When it's on your page, it can't be a link. So it can't be a link to like a YouTube video. It has to be something that you uploaded onto your page. Okay, so you go here and you click how long these people have to watch your video to create that audience. So based upon what you use this video to do to create your audience, you may determine which route you go. Something I like to do, I like to make 3 videos. I'll pick something like 10 seconds and create another one off 50 seconds and another one off of 95. But for the sake of this video here, we'll just do one off of 10 seconds, okay? Then you go to your video. You pick which video you want to use to create that audience. I'm just going to click one here. Alright, and then I also can't stress enough how important it is to make sure that you name the audience. Alright, so this is going to be okay, you have to name it, because that's going to come in handy later when you use that audience that you're creating off of a Facebook ad or a boost or something like that. Okay, and then you just hit create audience. Boom, there you go. Audience is now created. What it's going to automatically, Facebook's going to automatically prompt you to use this audience and make an ad or something. But you don't have to. You can just go right over here and just say done. And you can keep moving. Here's your video right here. Right? You can see it's going to now start populating. As soon as you get over that threshold mark, it'll let you know how many people are watching it. You can see. Alright? So that is how you make a Facebook audience off of a Facebook video. Until next time, guys.